Hi there. We installed and activated our child theme inheriting from Astra in the last video. In this video, we'll install Astra's Pro add-on to extend its capabilities. This add-on is available in the form of a plugin that you can buy from the Astra's official website. A plugin is a piece of software written in PHP containing a group of functions that can be added to a WordPress website to extend functionality or to add new features to your WordPress website. You can manage your website's plugins by going to the Plugins section. To install Astra's Pro add-on, click on Add New and then Upload Plugin. Select the plugin's zip file and hit Install Now. The plugin has been uploaded and we need to activate it. As soon as you activate it, the plugin will prompt you to enter the license key, which you will receive when you buy Astra Pro. I'll enter my key now and save. I bought Astra Pro several months back and I do not have the latest version on my computer. I could have downloaded the latest version from their website and installed that on my website. But let me show you how you can update a plugin from within your WP admin panel. From time to time, plugin authors release updates to their plugins that are very easy to install. If you have plugins that are not yet updated to their most latest version, you'll see an orange prompt alerting that there are some updates available. Let me update Astra Pro to its latest version by clicking Update Now.